Now, we saw Kit, you talking about that severe thunderstorm watch. There it is. It goes until 8 o'clock later this evening. Covers eastern Michigan, parts of Ohio. Look at this system here, the satellite imagery. Very, very a quintessential area of low pressure, let's call it here. You'd see it wound up. Cold front extends to the south from it, and that is where the focus for severe weather will be. We've already seen it here in eastern parts of Michigan, but further through Ohio, down towards parts of Kentucky is where we'll see it possibly later on today. Wind potential, probably the strongest potential or the most likely severe factor with any of these storms. But again, can't completely rule out that tornado threat. We've already seen some of these storms try and spin up, so watching that very closely. Here we go. Storms developing along this cold front. They'll be advancing through Ohio, so Cincinnati maybe by later on this evening, Columbus, Cleveland by later on 8, 10 o'clock at night as well. And by later tonight, these storms will be advancing in towards portions of western Pennsylvania and western New York State with kind of a sagging cold front towards the south here, with maybe some more focus for storms back off towards Kentucky. Then the threat shifts off towards the northeast. So a slight risk already for much of New England, and with the marginal risk extending further than that. Tornado potential is there again tomorrow. It's not a slam dunk for any tornadic activity, but something to keep an eye on. Here we go. Tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, looking at storm development here for eastern Pennsylvania, maybe going in towards the New Jersey area, up towards Albany there, state capital, and then in towards New England. You can see some of these storms going to be kind of rowdy as we go in towards tomorrow evening. It's tomorrow at 6 o'clock. The focus then shifts off towards the New England area with maybe some residual thunderstorms late tomorrow night. We start to clear out a little bit by late tomorrow night into early Friday morning, but there will be another chance for a few more showers and thunderstorms to develop as we go on in towards your Friday. And there's been a lot of rain back off towards the west, Kentucky area there, and also up towards New England. So we have excessive rain forecasts with, again, you can see forecast accumulations in parts that have seen a lot of rain. A few inches of rain will be possible in addition to what we've already seen. And of course, the heat, the big catalyst for these thunderstorms, they extend all the way down into the Washington, D.C. area, and more on the D.C. area here. Let's take it back to Kit.